See a differentiation of sine inverse x. Differentiation of sine inverse x with respect to x is equal to 1 by square root 1 minus x square. So you have to keep in mind only the differentiation. You have to keep in mind this one. Differentiation of sine inverse x is equal to 1 over square root 1 minus x square. So see here, solution. Let y is equal to sine inverse x, where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So then we can write like this: sine y is equal to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiation, first differentiate the sine function. First differentiate the sine function. Differentiation of sine is cos. Then here become cos y. Then after differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to dy by dx, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So it means dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y, and here 1 by cos y we can write like this: 1 minus sine square y, square root 1 minus sine square y. So it means 1 over square root 1 minus sine y is x, so here become x square. So it means differentiation of what is y? Y is your sine inverse x. This y is your sine inverse x. So differentiation of sine inverse x is equal to 1 over square root 1 minus x square. This is the differentiation of sine inverse x. Now differentiation of cos inverse x. Differentiation of cos inverse x with respect to x equal to minus 1 over square root 1 minus x square. Only difference is minus sign here. The formula will be same, only minus sign here. Difference will be minus. Only this minus difference is here. So see here how we can solve. Let y is equal to cos inverse x. So cos y is equal to x, and x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So differentiating with respect to x. So first of all, differentiation of cos part. The differentiation of cos is minus sin y, and then after differentiation of y, so here cos y, differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, then after differentiation of y, then the differentiation of y is dy by dx, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So it implies dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over sin y, and minus 1 over sin y we can write 1 minus cos square y. So equal to minus 1 divided by 1 minus, what is cos y? So cos y is x. Cos y, value of cos y is x here. The value of cos y is x. So we come here x square. So it means differentiation of cos inverse x. Differentiation of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 over square root 1 minus x square. Now here differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x is 1 over 1 plus x square. That is differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. So see here, let y is equal to tan inverse x. So it implies here tan y is equal to x. So we differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of tan, we know that differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So here differentiation of tan y is equal to sec square y. Then after differentiation of y, first the part of tan y, so tan y differentiation is sec square y. Then after differentiation of y, the differentiation of y is with respect to x is dy by dx, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So we can write like this, dy by dx is equal to 1 over sec square y. So 1 over 1 plus tan square y, we know that 1 plus tan square y is sec square y. So this one becomes 1 over 1 plus, see a tan y. What is tan y? Tan y is x. So 1 over 1 plus x square. So differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. So keep in mind this formula. Here differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. Now differentiation of cot inverse x. So differentiation of cot inverse x. So let y is equal to cot inverse x. So we can write like this, cot y is equal to x. Cot y is equal to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So here first you have to differentiate the cot y. We have to differentiate cot y, then after y. So first differentiation of cot y is minus cos x square y, and then after differentiation of y, then after differentiation of y is dy by dx. dy by dx, and differentiation of x is 1. So it implies here dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over cos x square y. So cos x square y, so here 1 plus tan square y is equal to cos x square y. Cos x square y. So see here the value of, here mistakes here, 1 plus cot square y, 1 plus cot square y is equal to cos x square. So minus 1 over, so cot y is x, so become here minus 1 over 1 plus x square. It means differentiation of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 over x square. So this is the formula for differentiation of cot square x. Now here if x belongs to set of real number r minus 1 to 1, the differentiation of sec inverse x with respect to x is 1 over mod of x square root x square minus 1. So derivatives of sec inverse x is equal to 1 over mod of x square root x square minus 1. So see here, let y is equal to sec inverse x. Y is equal to sec inverse x. So it implies sec y is equal to x. Differentiating with respect to x, so differentiation of sec y is sec y into tan y, and then after differentiation of term y, so term y, first differentiate the sec. We know that differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. So here differentiation of sec y is sec y into tan y. Then after differentiation of y is dy by dx with respect to x. And here differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So here dy by dx is equal to 1 over sec y into tan y. But here see here it is here set of real number except minus 1 to 1. It means there are in the graph, I already discussed the graph of sec. When above the 1 to infinity and minus infinity to minus 1. So if 1 to infinity, it means both will be positive, and if negate here in the minus infinity to minus 1, so there are two ways possibilities are there. So we can put here sec y and mod of tan y. So see here, so dy by dx, so we can write here like this here. So dy by dx is equal to 1 over sec y is mod of x, and mod of tan y we can write like this here. So we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So here tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So tan theta is equal to square root sec square theta minus 1. So here become tan y is become sec square y minus 1. So now we can write here dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to 1 over mod of x, mod of square root sec y is x, so x square minus 1. So differentiation of here sec inverse x, what is y? Y is sec inverse x. So differentiation of sec inverse x is equal to 1 over mod of x square root x square minus 1. So this is the differentiation of sec inverse x. You have to keep this formula in your mind. Now if x belongs to R minus 1 to 1, x belongs to R except minus 1 to 1, the differentiation of cosec inverse x with respect to x is minus 1 divided by mod of x square root x square minus 1. That is differentiation of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod of x square root x square minus 1. Let y is equal to cosec inverse x. So it means cosec y is equal to x. So differentiating with respect to x, to become here minus cosec y into cot y into dy by dx is equal to 1. So differentiation of cosec y, we know that differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Then after differentiation of y with respect to x, here differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 over cosec y mod of cosec y into cot y. So see here dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by, so here cosec y is x, so mod of x, and here mod of cot y we can write here 1 plus cot is here 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cot square theta, here cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So cot theta is equal to square root cosec square theta minus 1. So here we can write here cosec cot y is equal to 1 plus, here cot y is equal to cosec square y minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over mod of x into square root cosec y is x, so become here x square minus 1. So it means become minus 1 divided by mod of x square root x square minus 1. So it means differentiation of cosec y, differentiation of cosec inverse x, differentiation of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod of x into square root x square minus 1. This is the formula you have to keep in mind. So differentiation of cosec inverse x equal to minus 1 divided by mod of x square root x square minus 1.